So now I've got two 10mm studs taken out there. I'll just grab the sensor there. I'll take it out. You can see there on the top there needs to be clean, just a wee bit of petrol rag or a wee bit of nail varnish remover and just give it a wee clean, and just undo the plug there and check the plug is clean, and we'll put her back in again and see what she does. That's our next step. Now I've got a cloth and a wee like a nail varnish remover or your thinner or petrol like that, and just give the tip a wee wipe there. Clean off all the particles stuck to it. Usually it's magnetic. And give it a wee dry off. Now we'll put it back in again and see what she does. Right, so it's on the key with the little light goes out there. That's the usual story in the RENAULT CLIO. Just have to delete the sensor, clean it. If you have non-starting RENAULT CLIO, that's the usual suspect. And if that fails, you can switch on ignition and this light flashes at you. That usually means that the most terms is you need a new key. So you can get a key for about 30 or 40 euro. And any of the motor factors or car key specialists. So when you put in your key, when you see light flashing there, when you put the key in, the light should stop flashing. Light goes out, car will start. Now if you put your key in, and the light keeps on flashing, this little light here, it usually means the key's gone. So it's just a few tips on the RENAULT CLIO, and see you all next time.